Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll explore how to convert Google Ads scripts from multiple accounts to single account. Are you managing multiple Google Ads accounts and struggling to maintain separate scripts for each one? Or perhaps you're looking to consolidate your campaigns into a single account and don't know where to start with your existing scripts. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of converting your multi-account scripts to work seamlessly with a single Google Ads account. Whether you're an advertiser, agency, or developer, understanding how to adapt your scripts for a single account can save you time, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved in making this conversion and be able to apply these principles to your own work. When working with multiple Google Ads accounts, it's common to create scripts that are tailored for each specific account. However, if you're planning to consolidate these campaigns into one account, adapting your existing scripts can seem daunting. To start this conversion process, let's consider the primary elements of a Google Ads script. Typically, a script will contain functions that retrieve or update data within an account. These might include fetching campaign performance metrics, adjusting bids, or automating ad rotation. When you have multiple accounts, these functions are often hard-coded to reference specific account IDs. The first step in converting your scripts is to identify and remove any hard-coded references to individual accounts. Instead of using fixed account IDs, you'll need to implement a method that allows the script to dynamically determine which account it should be working with. One approach to achieving this is by leveraging Google Ads' built-in features for handling multiple accounts within a single script. For example, you can utilize the getAccounts method to programmatically retrieve a list of all accessible accounts and then loop through each one to execute your intended action. Another crucial aspect to consider during this conversion process is how you handle authentication. When scripts are set up for individual accounts, they usually authenticate using credentials specific to that account. When consolidating into a single account, ensure your script uses an authentication method that grants access to all necessary resources within the new consolidated structure. Lastly, remember to test thoroughly after making these changes. Even small errors in logic or configuration can lead to scripts not working as intended, so make sure to validate each step of the conversion process. Identify and remove hard-coded account references. Use dynamic methods like getAccounts to handle multiple accounts within a single script. Ensure proper authentication for the consolidated account structure. Thoroughly test all changes made during the conversion. By following these steps, you can successfully convert your Google Ads scripts from being tailored for multiple accounts to seamlessly work with a single account. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your ability to manage and optimize your campaigns more effectively. That's it for this tutorial on converting Google Ads scripts from multiple accounts to single account. We hope you found the information provided helpful in addressing your needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Your engagement is invaluable to us. If you like this content, consider liking this video and subscribing for more tutorials and insights into maximizing your Google Ads efficiency. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.